Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Steam on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in remove program. Best match to come back or add or remove programs. Go ahead and left click on that. And on the right side, you want to go down to where it says Steam. Go ahead and left click on that selection in here. And then left click on where it says uninstall. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on yes. Left click on uninstall. And once it says completed, you just click on close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.